Today I am reviewing the Innova 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light Tool. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are opening up the toolbox to look at a diagnostic instrument that is an absolute necessity for anyone who loves wrenching on classic cars, maintaining older trucks, or fine-tuning high-performance power equipment. We are diving into a comprehensive review of the Innova 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light Tool. If you have ever tried to time an engine with a cheap, standard strobe light, you know how frustrating it can be to guess your alignment marks down in a dark engine bay. Innova has designed a professional-grade tool that promises to bring modern digital precision to classic ignition systems. Let us break down the technology, how it speeds up your workflow, and why it deserves a permanent spot in your garage. Let us kick things off with the most powerful feature on this device, the built-in digital advance capability. If you are tuning an older engine with a distributor, adjusting your base timing, and checking your total mechanical or vacuum advance curves used to be a tedious chore. You either had to manually rotate the distributor, use complex dial-back dials, or draw precise degree marks on your harmonic balancer. The Innova 5568 changes the game entirely by allowing you to digitally dial in an advance of up to 90 degrees right on the tool itself. This means you can measure your base timing and your total ignition advance accurately without having to mess with the distributor position constantly. It makes tracking your advance curve across different RPM ranges vastly faster and safer, giving you total tuning precision at the push of a button. All of that data is fed directly to a beautifully bright, integrated LED digital display. If you have ever worked in a poorly lit home garage or under the harsh glare of an industrial shop light, you know that reading analog dials or faint timing marks can cause serious eye strain. This easy-to-read screen provides crystal clear, precise digital timing results in real time. It completely eliminates the guesswork, letting you read your engine's exact parameters even in pitch black or hyperbright conditions. Setting up the tool is incredibly fast and straightforward, making it highly accessible for both casual DIYers and veteran mechanics. It utilizes a heavy-duty 3-wire connection system. You simply clip the red and black power leads directly to your vehicle's 12-volt battery terminals, and then attach the specialized inductive pickup clamp right onto the number 1 spark plug wire. The inductive clamp features excellent shielding to prevent radio frequency interference from other cylinders, ensuring that the light flashes in absolute perfect synchronization with the firing of the number 1 piston. Within minutes of opening the box, you are up, running, and reading live data. Another massive selling point of this tool is its universal compatibility across an extraordinarily wide range of vehicles and engine types. Unlike basic entry-level timing lights that only work on standard automotive setups, this Pro Series tool is fully compatible with both 2-cycle and 4-cycle engines. This means it works brilliantly not just on classic muscle cars and domestic or import trucks, but also on motorcycles, lawnmowers, boats, and vintage tractors. It seamlessly reads ignition timing on both traditional carbureted engines and older electronic fuel-injected systems, making it a versatile Swiss Army knife for engine diagnostics. Finally, you can feel the build quality the moment you pick it up. This tool is built by Innova, a brand backed by over 30 years of automotive diagnostic expertise. The tool features a highly durable, impact-resistant housing that is engineered to survive the accidental drops, grease, and harsh fluids typical of a busy shop environment. The slim, ergonomic pistol grip design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, and the long, high-quality reach cables ensure you can safely navigate around hot engine parts and spinning radiator fans. To wrap it all up, the Innova 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light is a phenomenal diagnostic tool that completely modernizes classic engine tuning. By combining a powerful 90-degree digital advance feature with a razor-sharp LED display, lightning-fast setup, and universal compatibility for 2- and 4-cycle engines, Innova has delivered a premium package. It eliminates the frustration of timing adjustments, saves you massive amounts of time under the hood, and ensures your engine runs at peak efficiency and power. If you take engine maintenance seriously and want professional-grade accuracy in your driveway, this tool is worth every single penny.